Think with Google presents Lightning Lessons in partnership with Unskippable Labs. The Unskippable Labs team was created to help advertisers make better video ads. They do this by running experiments with video content on YouTube. A lot of advertisers ask, how can I change my ads to make them more effective? The team thinks about creative optimization across 4 key areas: visual language, narrative structure, tuning for audience, and creative systems. Evolving visual language in your ads, especially for mobile devices, can boost your ad's impact. This can be done with tighter framing, faster pacing, the use of large type supers, and bright, high contrast colors. These small tweaks could result in improvements ranging from 10% to 15% in ad recall and favorability, just with a little editing. The second opportunity is narrative structure. Viewers are swimming in a sea of content, making attention harder to capture. So how do you make your content wow? Start off high to grab attention and then pulse the story along like a heartbeat, adding in changes of perspective and unexpected shifts of direction to hold a viewer's interest. The third opportunity is tuning for audience. If you want your audience to tune into you, it's important to understand how to tune into them. By understanding your customers' evolving behavior, you can make creative choices that reflect their interests and passions, keeping them connected to what they care about. And that will significantly improve creative response. And that brings us to creative systems. Explore sequencing your ads in different ways to capture and keep the viewer's attention. Experiment with 6-second, 30-second, or 3-minute ads. Finding the right mix of formats and forms can make all the difference, taking viewers deeper into your story. Adapting to viewer behavior is an exciting challenge because there's always something new to learn in the language of advertising. And this means the only way to stay relevant is to experiment all the time. To learn more about Unskippable Labs, visit thinkwithgoogle.com.